In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a book on Audible Mobile. We'll walk through finding a title in the Audible app and sending a share link to someone right from your phone. This is great when you discover a book you love and want to recommend it instantly. Make sure you've got the Audible app installed on your mobile device and that you're signed in and you're ready to go. Start by opening the Audible app on your phone. Give it a second to load, especially if you're on cellular data. Once you're in, we'll use the app's built-in browsing tools to locate the book you want to recommend. Next, tap Discover. On most phones, Discover appears along the bottom navigation bar. This is Audible's browsing hub. It highlights curated lists, editors' picks, and trending titles, and it's the fastest way to explore without typing a search. If your layout looks a little different, that's okay. Some regions label it slightly differently, but you're looking for the main browse section where Audible showcases categories and collections. From here, choose a category. You might see genres like mystery, science fiction, self-development, or more specialized shelves. Opening a category helps you narrow down options and quickly find the kind of audiobook you want to share. You can scroll through subcategories or featured lists until you spot a title that matches what you have in mind. When you see a book you'd like to recommend, tap it to open the book's details page. This page shows the cover art, the summary, the narrator information, and a play sample button. You do not need to purchase the audiobook to share it. Sharing simply sends a link to its store page so others can check it out on their own. Now look for the share icon on the book's page. On many devices, it appears as an arrow coming out of a box, or it might be inside a three-dot menu. Tap Share, and your phone's share sheet will appear. Choose the app you want to use. Options may include Google Apps, Quick Share, Messages, or other services installed on your device. Pick the one that fits how you usually communicate. The link will paste automatically into your selected app, and you can add a short note like why you recommend the book or what you enjoyed most. When your message looks good, send it. That's all there is to it. Open Audible, head to Discover, pick a category, open a book, and use the share icon to send the link through your favorite app. Happy listening and happy sharing.